Changing your profile picture on Walmart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select profile information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled profile or account information. Click on this to access your profile details. Step 4. Upload new picture. Find the option to change or upload your profile picture. Click on the upload button and select the new image you want to use from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a save or update button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize your new profile picture. Now your profile picture is updated. Enjoy your new look on Walmart.